Hey guys, check it out, another Fix-It Pros video. We're installing a tempered glass for a customer right here, and they had broke it before. Thank goodness it saved it. This we recommend this tempered glass because not only does it protect the front glass, it also protects the corners. Okay, so check us out, Fix-It Pros West Palm. We're gonna install this one now, and what we're gonna do once we cleaned it already, then we're gonna peel this off. Okay. We're going to line it up, line up the cameras, just like so. Okay, and just drop it and let it do its thing. Try to get those corners. And that's pretty much it. We'll just clean it up. Use this electronic cleaner. This is another thing we like to use, electronic cleaner. And that really gets all the... Alright guys, if you like this video, subscribe. Come check us out, West Palm. We'll install this for you, okay? Have a great day. Thank you so much.